found your speed queen. This way. Yeah. There you go, buddy. Go around the corner. AJ, come this way. You want this better? Isn't this better? Oh, sorry, man. Alright, buddy. Come knock it down. Do it again. Well, I need to set him up first. Alright. You don't want me to set it up? Alright, well. I got that one before you did. Alright. Put that one up. Put that one up. And we'll put this one up. We'll go get these. Oh, watch out. Go around the corner and you can smash them. I don't think you're understanding. Oh, watch out, Mandy. Okay. Okay. And he's going around the corner. Alright. I got him up. Here he comes. Well, where's AJ? Come on. Look it down. Woo! Now stack him back up. Good job. All right. Well, let me